In this episode, I'm giving stuff away. Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and this special giveaway episode. That's right, the channel is just about to hit 500 subs, and that's awesome. Thank you to everybody, I really appreciate it. And to show my appreciation, I'm gonna gift one lucky subscriber one free model kit. Absolutely free, no cost to you. All you have to do is enter to win. Now, the kits I've selected to offer up as gifts range in different genres because my channel doesn't specifically focus on one particular genre of model kit. I like to build everything. So with that in mind, I selected kits from several genres and also several skill levels because some of my viewers are new to the hobby and others are more experienced model builders. So hopefully I've got a little something for everybody. Alright, so what can you win, you might ask? Great question. I'm going to show you. I've picked 5 kits to auction off. The winner will choose one of those kits, whichever one they want. Those kits are the MPC 1933 Willys Panel Paddy Wagon, the Monopoly one, in 1/25 scale. The next model is the Fireball Slingshot Dragster from Atlantis, also in 1/25 scale. The next kit is the MPC Milk Trike from the Trick Trike series, also in 1/25 scale. And the AMT Star Trek Enterprise 1701C in 1/2500 scale. And then finally, the last kit to round them out is the B-29 Super Fortress Bomber by Atlantis in 1/120 scale. Now, all you have to do to enter the contest is follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1, you must be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, please take this time to click that subscribe button down below. Second, you have to like this video. Third, please enter a comment down below, introduce yourself if you haven't already, and let me know which one of these models you would like to win. And finally, you'll need to email me at the address in the description of this video so I can assign you a raffle number. Now I'm doing it this way in hopes to make things easy for everybody, avoid duplicate raffle ticket numbers, and make it easier on me when I have to go choose the winning number. So basically, after you email me, I will email you a raffle ticket number, and that makes you entered into the contest. If you email me and I don't respond right away, give me a day or so, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't heard from me in a couple days, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to figure out if maybe your email got caught in a spam filter somewhere. Now, also I want to specify, I will not communicate with people in the comments as far as who won. It won't be like a WhatsApp thing. I know a lot of other channels get hacked and people get in there and mess around with folks. I don't want to do that. I want to avoid that. So that's why I'm going the email route. So when you email me, I'll verify that you're a subscriber, and then I'll give you your ticket number. Now, the raffle is open as of today, right now, and it'll remain open until I hit the 500 subscriber level. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will stop the contest, I will randomly select a ticket number, and then I will notify that subscriber that they've won the model kit of their choice. At that point, when I email you that you've won, all I really need from you is your shipping address, and I'll get the model shipped out to you. So I wish you all the best of luck in winning one of these 5 model kits. I really appreciate all the support and all the subscribers. Thank you so much. I do truly appreciate it. And this is just my way of saying thank you. And also, I'm looking forward to the next milestone, which will be 1,000 subscribers. And I will do an even bigger giveaway once we hit that number. So again, thank you everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for getting to know me in the comments. And this YouTube modeling community is awesome, and I'm so glad to be a part of it. So good luck, and until next time, be safe out there and go build something.